Okay, so we are setting up a Google Ads account, a new Google Ads account. Go to Google Ads and sign in. Okay, so we are setting up a new Google Ads account for our KnowHow Marketing Lab website. But if you notice the hyperlink blue text here, skip campaign creation. We're not ready to create a campaign. Skip that. And then we're going to add our time zone, which is the most important thing. You cannot change once you pick it, and it affects your whole account. So, yeah.
Stop. Did you get the offer? If you didn't get the offer, make sure to claim it now. So go back and then claim it.
I didn't get one of those offers, so claim now. You claim that offer. Okay, there we go. And it's saying spend this, so we're getting that offer. So we went back to claim it. And it's saying spend $3,600 and get $1,800 free. Offer will be applied following successful billing set up. You have to receive the $1,800 in credit. You must meet all eligibility requirements. Be new or currently inactive advertisers. Spend $36 by September 30th. Perfect. 2024. Yes. And then agree. And then submit. Okay, and then we're going to continue to our account. And okay, we are rock and rolling.